Hi everyone, just thought I'd jump on today to quickly discuss our new Level 6 NVQ Diploma in Construction Site Management. I'm just going to share my screen quickly so that you guys can see the learning platform that you'll see as you enroll onto the qualification. And we're just going to have a little bit of a breakdown of what exactly is involved in the course, who awards it, and what you basically get as a five-star course as customer. So in essence, the qualification, what does our qualification get you? Upon completion, you will be able to apply for your CSCS Black Card after successfully completing NVQ. It also demonstrates that you're highly qualified in your role, helps us to improve career progression opportunities, and you do gain a lifetime qualification as well. So the qualification is competence-based, so you must be able to demonstrate a level of competence in the described units, as well as a range of knowledge, understanding against standards set in the qualification. Learners do get access to a 12 months course duration to complete entirely at your own pace. It's a unit-based qualification, which means that you have an element of observation, written assignments, professional discussion, and submission of evidence as part of this qualification. So the awarding body here for this course is ProQual. We're an approved ProQual centre, and that's who you will receive your certificate from upon completion. In regards to the actual units for the course, as I scroll through them on here, you will see that there's actually 20 units involved with this qualification, so quite a long one. However, like I say, it's a mixture of assessment methods, so it's not like you'll be writing all of these individual units out. There's a mixture of workplace evidence, submission of evidence, all that sort of stuff in there as well. What do you get access to as part of your qualification? So we've got a wide range of things, such as your tutor support that you can book in for calls with as you're going through the course. You've also got access to your learning materials, which include, clickable videos, PowerPoint presentations, and also books that we provide for you as well. You do also have the ability as well to have a 12 months access to the learning platform, where you can complete on a self-paced duration. So you can do this as fast or as slow as you like throughout your time frame. We tend to see on average for this sort of length of qualification that you'd be looking at around 6 to 9 months for completion on average. However, you do have the full year to complete if you need to, and extension options are available as well. I'll just quickly run through the entry requirements. So learners, to be suitable for this qualification, it's for 19 years of age and above. Learners must be in a voluntary or paid role within the construction sector, and you must have ability to have a sort of workplace role that will allow you to actually conduct site management as part of that role, either on a voluntary or paid basis for the purpose of the qualification. You must also be able to demonstrate your maths and English skills at level 2, and learners must also have access to a qualified observer. Now, this can be somebody who actually holds the qualification or equivalent or higher. It could be somebody who's like a senior site manager themselves or a senior construction manager themselves with a large number of years of experience. If you send over the details to the team upon your enrollment, we can always get that checked out for you. But that's pretty much everything to do with this course. That's a little breakdown of what to expect and what's involved. If you do have any questions, please feel free to send any inquiries through to the team, and we're more than happy to help you out. Thanks very much.